Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. In this video, we have three different job updates for today. So the first company is Persistent Systems, and the second thing is Light and Wonder, and the third is the Accenture. So we shall discuss the job details, eligibility criteria, and the application form for the same. So the first company, that is Persistent Systems. So they are hiring for the Java developer and experience. So it is for the freshers, and qualification is either bachelor's or the master's degree in either computer science, information technology, or the related fields. And the work location for this, it is Pune, and it is hybrid work from office. And coming to the key skills, as they are hiring for the Java developer, so you need to have knowledge on core Java as well as the Java 8 features, and knowledge of SpringBoot, REST APIs, and the microservices with the AWS. So these are the skills which are needed to apply for this first company, that is Persistent Systems. So this particular opening, it is through Founded. So here you can view the job description and whatever skill sets they have mentioned in detail, and also the benefits of this. So you can go through this, and you can apply for this. If you already have the account with the Founded, you can directly click on apply now, so that you'll be applied for this role. And here right side, you can also view some other openings. You can also, if you wish, you can also go to that and apply for the same. So these are the details of the first company, that is Persistent Systems. And the second company, it is Light and Wonder. So the role they are hiring, it is for the associate software engineer, and this role is also for the freshers. And the job ID for this, it is R321693, and the location, it is Bangalore. And qualification for this, so only BU or BTech graduates are eligible to apply. And the last date, so you can apply as soon as possible for this role. And this particular application, it is through Workday Jobs, so you can apply for this. So you have three ways to apply. You can autofill with resume, or you can apply manually, or if you already have the account with the Workday Jobs, you can use your last application, or there is another option like you can apply with LinkedIn. So these are the ways you can apply for this. So these are the details about the second company. And the third is the Accenture. So Accenture is looking for the full stack engineer, that too with the LLM, and that is for the application developer. And this is also for the freshers with 0 to 2 years of experience. And qualification is only BU or BTech graduates, and location for this is Bangalore. And coming to the key skill sets, so particularly they have mentioned you should have the knowledge on LLM and the full stack. So full stack in ASP.NET, SQL Server, RESTful APIs, and the Microsoft Azure and AI or LLMs. So these are the main key skills which are needed to apply for this. So here you can go to the job description, whatever they have mentioned, and the job responsibilities also, and in detail professional as well as technical skills. So at least you should have 0 to 2 years of experience in ASP.NET in order to apply for this. And other than that, knowledge on AI as well as LLMs. So in order to apply for this, you are supposed to create an account with the Accenture. So this is the login form for the Accenture. So you can start and complete your application. So here you can give the email address, password, and you can sign in, and then later you can start the application, or else you can sign up. So if you have the account, you can sign in, or else you need to sign up for this. You need to create a profile first, then you can sign in. If your account is created, then later you can start the application. So these are the details about the third company, that is Accenture. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description, so you can apply for these roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.